Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Ps5 firmware is current and both monitors support the resolutions you want. Next, plug the Ps5 into monitor using the best HDMI cable available. Use the HDMI 2. One port if you need 4K at 120Hz. Once done, set monitor as the primary display in Ps5 settings screen and video. Make sure monitor B's inputs and any adapter are ready. You'll use them in the next step to mirror or extend. You now choose how to drive monitor B. For identical output, use a powered HDMI splitter that supports your target resolution and refresh rate. For different content on each screen, use a capture card with HDMI pass-through attached to a PC that displays the second feed. Once connected, power on all devices, then adjust each monitor's signal format and enable game mode to reduce latency. Make sure the splitter or capture card supports HDCP. Finish by testing the setup with a simple game or system menu on both monitors. Start at 1080p to confirm signal stability, then raise resolution and refresh rate. If one monitor shows no signal, swap cables and isolate the faulty component. You should change only one variable at a time so you know what fixed it. As a key troubleshooting tip, if you see black screens or HDR errors, toggle Ps5 HDCP and HDR off and on. Then reboot the console and monitors to re-establish the handshake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.